What if I told you that the difference between struggling financially and building real wealth isn't about luck, but understanding how money works? Imagine waking up one day and realizing your money is working for you, even while you sleep. That's the power of investing. And the best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to start. But here's the problem. Most beginners never start because they think investing is risky, complicated, or just for the rich. That's a huge mistake. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start investing, step by step, even if you have no experience. And if you stay till the end, I'll share a powerful investing hack that can help you build wealth faster than 90% of people. Let's get started. Let's start with a simple question. What happens if you don't invest? If you leave your money in a savings account, you're losing money every year due to inflation. Here's a real-world example. In 1990, you could buy a gallon of milk for about $2.50. Today, it's nearly $5. That's inflation at work. If your money isn't growing, it's actually shrinking. Now, let's compare two people. Sarah saves $500 per month in a bank account at 0.5% interest. Jake invests $500 per month in an index fund, earning an average 8% per year. After 30 years, Sarah has about $200,000. But Jake? Over $750,000. Same money, different choices. That's the power of investing. So how do you get started? Let's break it down. Investing can seem complicated, but at its core, it's just putting your money to work so it grows over time. There are many ways to invest, but for beginners, the three most common options are stocks, owning a piece of a company like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. Index funds and ETFs, a group of stocks bundled together, making investing safer and easier. Real estate, buying property that increases in value over time. The best option for most beginners? Index funds. Why? Because they are low-cost, diversified, and historically beat most stock-picking strategies. For example, the S&P 500, which tracks the 500 biggest companies in the U.S., has averaged around 10% returns per year over the last century. If you had invested just $1,000 in the S&P 500 in 1990, today it would be worth over $20,000. Think you need thousands of dollars to start? You don't. Thanks to investing apps like Vanguard, Fidelity, and Robinhood, you can start with as little as $5. Here's your step-by-step action plan. Open a brokerage account. Think of this as your gateway to investing. Popular choices include Vanguard, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. Deposit money. Start small if needed. Even $50 a month can grow into a fortune over time. Buy your first investment. For beginners, an S&P 500 ETF like Vanguard's VOO or SPY is a solid choice. Stay consistent, invest every month, and don't panic when the market dips. Quick fact: if you invested $10 per day in the stock market over the last 30 years, you'd have over $1 million today. What's stopping you from starting? Most beginners lose money because they make these three big mistakes. Trying to time the market? Nobody can predict the perfect moment to buy or sell. Even experts fail at this. Investing in hype. If you're buying something just because it's trending on social media, stop. Do your research. Selling when the market crashes. The stock market always recovers. Stay patient and think long-term. Here's a crazy stat. If you had invested in the S&P 500 at the worst possible time, right before the 2008 crash, but never sold, you'd still be up over 300% today. If you've made it this far, here's the investing hack I promised. Automate your investments. Set up an automatic deposit into your investment account every month, just like a subscription service. Why? Because when investing is automatic, you never forget, never hesitate, and never miss an opportunity. And here's a challenge for you. Comment below how much you're committing to invest this month. Even if it's just $10, take the first step today. Investing isn't just for the rich, it's how people become rich. Start now, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. And let me know in the comments. What's the biggest question you have about investing? I'll be answering as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.